Good morning and welcome to my patio that is in desperate need of a cleanup. We have so many weeds growing up through the brick. I need to pull those. I need to just pressure wash everything because there's pollen everywhere, wipe the tables, yada yada yada. But I need to clear it off first, and yeah. This video is going to be all like home projects, clearing the patio. I need to do some touch up in the bathroom and stuff, so whatever we think of we're gonna do today. Hopefully just get this house ready to put up for sale. I don't know. I've been looking at houses on the market because I feel like we need a new home. That's just me. I hate our driveway. There's just little things that I want in a forever home, and this honestly doesn't feel like our forever home. So there's that. I only have one glove today, so let's see how good this goes. Okay, so here's where our ceiling got some water damage from our gutters maybe a year ago. And this just popped up here recently, and my husband went to pull on the ceiling. I was like, what are you doing? And he kind of made that little rip in the wall. So here I am just taking out literally that entire bubble, and it was all over our ceiling. So I figured we can start from scratch and fix this mess, because it was a mess to say the least. There ended up being more damage to the ceiling than I anticipated, so this was a much bigger project than I was hoping for, but it is what it is. It needed to be fixed, and while I'm on summer break, I figured it was the perfect time to just get started. This is how the ceiling is looking after I got all of the like bubbled up pieces taken down. I turned the fan off, so sorry if it's bothering you, but this is another big area. We had an area like above the fan, and then same thing upstairs. There was a few spots up here that started to bubble up, so I wanted to get those just because, oop, kind of missed a spot right there, but that's what it looked like before I did this. Might have to go back through and get that one. So that's exactly what we're going to be working on today, is just finishing up the ceiling. I've got to run to the store and get, I guess it's joint compound, and try and patch these up and then let that dry, and then I've got to paint the ceiling just so that it blends in nicely. So we've got our work cut out for us, but it's really not that bad. So I think the worst part is going to be the sanding that I have to do after the joint compound dries. So we'll see how it goes. I also wanted to paint the banister over here in like the little, I don't even know, hallway area. If you can see, we've done some patchwork here, and we probably need to do it again, but paint it black. As you can see, the cat has scratched a lot of the posts. It's not going to be a huge thing to fix, but definitely just want to get it done for like, I mean, looking at it looks awful. This is probably the worst one. We also need to fix these radiator covers. I don't even know what happened. So we do have, wow, I'm so sorry for how I look. We do have a lot of things that we need to do before I get somebody out here to maybe look at our house, just to see what we need to do before we think about putting it on the market. So yeah, other than that, I don't have a whole lot going on today, just mom things. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the store right now and get everything that we need to get. All right, I got Penelope down for her nap, so I'm gonna make myself a coffee because I realized I'm like super low energy, but I didn't make myself a coffee this morning. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna get going on the ceilings. Please don't make a mess. There we go. I think I'm gonna slab it on and then smooth it out with the other one.
먼지투성이 hands are trembling right now, right now. Deep blue water sea, afraid of jumping in right now, right now. 한 발을 내밀었어, 걱정이 많이 있어. Now it's a bit of love, man. It's a little tough. alone, but I'm where I need to be. Nobody's stopping us from fly. Don't kill this mood, just singing na 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 na. Won't make it harder for your mind. Just dancing underwater right now. I've been swimming and swimming into the deep end. I've been looking and looking around me lately. I've been falling and rolling, really nothing new. Dancing up to the water right now. Moonlight shimmering, falling over me right now. Right now, yeah. 한숨을 쉬고 있어. 또 마을 가고 싶어 난. I'm afraid of all things.
Good morning. I'm going through all the baby clothes that I should have last night before bed, but I didn't. So I'm doing that now. I'm giving some away to my friend Maddie. Her sister just had a preemie baby and they are in need of some clothes. So I have tons. My sister gave me some for Penelope, and it's most of her wardrobe actually from when she was a newborn and then all the way up to like 6 months. So I really hope that this blesses their family and their little baby. But I'm also keeping some like sentimental items for Penelope, and also some items that we can reuse you know, in the future if we, you know, have another one. I've got to get all of this packed back away. This is everything that I'm keeping, and then things that she is gonna grow into. So yeah, I gotta get all that packed back up, and then I think I'm gonna relax today. I'm not feeling the best, so Penelope's down for a nap right there. We're gonna get as much done as we can and then just kind of relax today, and then maybe this evening finish the ceilings.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me.
Hopefully this holds up and the cat doesn't jump all over this and destroy and track paint throughout the house. That would be so bad. I don't trust her, but I have no other choice because I don't really have any other time to do this. I really want to bust out all of these home projects that I'm trying to do.
See, she's all ready. Oh. This is gonna be like the first coat, just to go over like the imperfect pieces, and then I'm probably gonna go back over it, the whole thing with a bigger brush. That way you can't tell like what's been painted and what hasn't, because you can definitely tell. I'm just touching up. Good morning. It's like almost 9 a.m. Me and my sister are going to do yoga. I'm in kind of a time crunch, hence me filming while I'm loading the car up. So I'm going to pick up my sister right now. I got my yoga mat, and let's get her. Don't even think I brushed my hair this morning. Just got back home from yoga and we had a great time. It was very hot outside. We did it like, I should have filmed a little bit, but we were already late. So when we walked in, like all eyes were on us. I didn't want to set up anything. I just kind of wanted to jump in, and today is the 4th of July. So just kind of wanted to enjoy spending time with my sister, because we don't really get to without the kids anymore. So that was nice. But I'm going to end this video here. We're gonna have a good day today. I've got to do one banner because I had somebody message me kind of late last night and they need it for tomorrow, and it's a girl's sweet 16th, so I felt bad saying no. So I'm gonna try and bust that out real quick before we go down to my parents' house for a cookout. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you have a happy 4th of July. I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.